Most people get this wrong. They think all virtual event platforms are the same, but AirMeet stands out for its focus on networking, interactivity, and ease of use. Today, I'll share my honest usage experience. AirMeet is a virtual events platform designed for webinars, conferences, and workshops. One feature I found incredibly useful is the virtual tables for networking. Attendees can join small group tables for discussion, just like at an in-person event. During a recent conference, this feature allowed me to connect directly with industry peers without the awkwardness of generic chat rooms. Another strong point is its event management tools. You can set up ticketing, registration, and live polls all within the platform. I tested it for a workshop, and the setup process was straightforward, even for someone without technical experience. AirMeet also offers integrations with tools like Zoom, CRM software, and marketing platforms, which makes follow-ups and attendee tracking easier. Additionally, the platform supports sponsor booths, which is great for monetizing larger events. A few downsides: the free plan has limited features, and larger events require paid plans. Also, some customization options are less flexible than other platforms like Hopin. In conclusion, AirMeet is ideal if you want a virtual event platform that emphasizes networking, engagement, and ease of use. It's perfect for workshops, small conferences, and interactive webinars. Subscribe for more honest reviews of online tools to help you plan and host events like a pro.